Grand breaking news, guys, and the moment that we were all waiting for. CCIP Paris has now gone ahead and changed their listening pattern a bit. Well, of course, there's not like a drastic change, but yes, there is some change, and the good news is it's a positive change. So let's get on to the video to understand what exactly the change is, and let's see if this is really a good news for all of us or not. This is Ankita Agrawal. I am TEF, come TCF Canada coach expert. I live in Toronto, and I'll be super happy to make such more insightful videos because trust me, lots and lots of such updates coming in soon. Subscribe to the channel and comment below what do you think, whether it is positive for you or not. Let's get onto my screen because I want to share the screen with you and tell you all what exactly the change is. First of all, I would like to tell you the source of this information is super authentic. I got an email confirmation from CCIP itself before I thought of making this video because I want to ensure that I give you all the right piece of information. Now, let's get on to my screen and understand that what exactly has been changed. If you see my screen here, the first change, which is super positive, is in this section D, which is micro trottoir. So they are now going to give us 3 options. You heard it right. So it's going to be 3 options and not 4 options to choose from, which makes the life easy for us because you wouldn't be tangled in your thought. Maybe it is pour, contra, or nuanced. So this is something which is a super positive change. Moving on to the next one now. The next one is again amazing. It's an excellent change. I'm totally in the favor of that. Love the change. So if you look at this section, which is interview, there are about 6 questions. And now 6 questions, as you understand, is like major component. Earlier in this interview, they used to play the audio only for once. And now, yes, they're going to play the audio twice, which is amazing because that helps the learner or the students or the exam takers to understand the audio well and answer the question well. Of course, besides these 2 changes, there are no other changes. Now, let's get on to the next part. When is this change getting effective from? This is getting effective from right September 2025. But again, even though many centers have been told about these changes, but it takes time. Like I did get in touch with certain examiners to whom I know, and they told me apparently they don't know about this information at all. So I was also under the impression maybe it's just a baseless rumor. But at the end, I got to know when I got an email from CCIP Paris, I confirmed this and I tested this is true, this is happening. But again, system takes time, system upgradation takes time, and this exam happens globally in all cities, in all zones, in all rural area regions. So obviously the implementation of this audio might take some time. So if you are thinking to take an exam in October, I will not recommend. I will rather recommend you to take the exam maybe mid-November or later or so, because that way you will get some time to get the changes implemented in your center and you can make most of it. Because why just lose the good point which you're getting, because of course at the end it's an expensive exam. Last but not the least, this is definitely a great news, and there are 2 more changes coming into the picture which I will definitely make a separate video on about. Stay tuned, comment below, subscribe to the channel. Hope this video was helpful and hope this grand news makes more and more people clear the TEF Canada exam and land you PR, and that makes your Canada dream come true. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I have few more updates. See you soon.